Hi guys, Loft is a 3D solid with several cross sections. That means you need to have several cross section on a different plane. First, let's say we draw a shape here. So this is the first shape or the first cross section on the first plane. You can check or view it with a free orbit function. Then we need to draw a new shape on a different plane. To get a new plane, we need to change our origin of the coordinate system. Type UZS command and select Z axis. Then, key in a new coordinate system for the origin. In this example, I want to have a 50mm distance above from the origin plane. So, the coordinate should be 0, 0, 50. For the next command line, just click enter. Now, you can see that our new plane is above the previous shape. All processes will be repeated to make another 2 shape or cross section in this example. Now, we have 3 cross sections on 3 different planes. To create a loft, first select the loft function from the menu and select the 3 cross sections in sequence. So, this is the example of how the loft will look like.